In this video, we're going to show you how to convert Classic Editor to block the Gutenberg Block System on your post. If you want to do just a few of them, you can do that, or we can show you a way. Maybe part 2 of the video will show you a way you can convert all of them over to the Gutenberg Block System. Let's start here. We're going to go to one of my WordPress sites, and on this site I have the Classic Editor was activated. I just deactivated it because that allowed me to use the conventional WordPress Classic Editor to build the pages. Some of these pages were built as far back as 2015, 2016. So some of these posts have been around for a while. So that's been deactivated. So we're going to show you what we're going to get now. We're going to go to Post, and I'm just going to go to Published Post. And then what I did was I went to one of the posts here and I opened it up, and this is what you get. I took away the Classic Editor. Now it says if I want to convert to blocks, this is right now in the Classic Editor mode. That's how it was created. Okay, this, if you scroll down through here, this is the way this post was created back, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. But what you can do, if you want to convert it to the block system, right here it comes up, convert to blocks. And we hit that. Now every area here becomes a block now. You can see everything is a block. It gives you systems to go through. You can convert everything to a block. If I want this to be converted to a block, now I don't really know why I would want to do that. I'm just going to go back. We're going to go back to what it was, the Classic Editor. We'll add a new post to the site. Now with the Classic Editor plugin turned off, you're going to get the Gutenberg Block System. So that's the way it's going to be. Now everything is going to be right here. Now this is all part of other things, other plugins as part of the page. But up here is the building part here. If I want to add a block, I can go here or I can go up here. And it'll give us blocks. I'm going to do a paragraph. So right here, this is going to be a paragraph block. Your toolbar will come up here, and it'll give you other options here, other things that you can have to use for the toolbar. So that's the way that works. Other way to add a block would be to hit this right here, and it'll give you your blocks over here. Now obviously your page, your block summary is over here. And other things for your page are over here too. Let's say if you wanted to do an image, let's say. Okay, so our next block, we've got a block for text right here. Okay, this block right here is for text. This block right here is for image. Let's say if we want to go to the media library, let's add this one here. We'll just select this. This is going to be here. Now, everything that I want to control the image block will be here. If I want to make it rounded, I can make it rounded. Go default back to the square. Place for my alternative text, and then settings, or aspect ratio, width, height, anything like that. If I come in here, there's more tools in here I can use right here to edit this picture. You can go here if I want a medium size. You can go to a medium size. Let's go to full size. Okay, full size is better at the moment. But that's the way you'll do it, and then you can update this as a draft here. But that's how you convert it. Now the next part we're going to show you is there's a plugin. We're going to show you how to do that next. Okay, so the second part is I have a site that everything was done in the Classic Editor. Now I'm going to have to go here if I want to convert this to blocks. I'm going to go to my plugins, and then you'll see Classic Editor here. We're going to deactivate that, and then we're going to come here. We want to add a plugin. So I'm going to come up here, and then we're going to add a plugin called Convert to Blocks. It's going to be this one right here, the 10-up one. We want to install that. Okay, that's installed. But what we're doing is we're doing with Convert to Blocks. We're going to activate the plugin. Okay, now it's activated right here. It's activated. We're going to go back to the post. And then what I'm going to do is reload it. And then I'm going to show you what you're going to get. Now everything has been converted to blocks. Everything, see, this is all a block. This is all a block right here. Everything's according to a block now. Everything will be in a block editor. So that's the way where you can do it. Now you can go to any post. Go back to our post. Let's try another one. We haven't opened this one. We'll open this one real quick. And everyone will have everyone will have blocks now. Everything will be a block. See, there was a block there, just like we didn't have. Okay, so that's how you do the second part, by adding a convert to blocks. I'll change everything to blocks. So thank you for watching the video. This video was about how to go to the plugin, deactivate your classic editor. Classic editor would look like this. This is the way the posts look like under classic editor. Once I've deactivated it, and then it becomes a block, the Gutenberg block situation. And if I want to come back here, it tells I can go back to classic here using the WordPress editor, the classic editor. So that's today's video, how to block your WordPress content or to unblock your WordPress content by using classic editor. Thanks for watching today. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel while you're at it. If you already haven't done that, please reach over there and tap the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.